In the quest for health, we're faced with a paradox deeply rooted in human nature. Most health issues unfurl in slow motion, yet we often only take action when the urgency of illness compels us. A paradox forms when, despite a lack of steady self-care, we affect medical science to quickly and effectively cure us once we're ill. Many diseases like type 2 diabetes and dementia slowly manifest over decades. Subtle signs of health deterioration are often ignored until the necessity of recovery forces us into action. This slow progression seems at odds with the quick expectations we harbor once confronted with illness. The key to breaking this paradox lies in understanding that health is a continuum shaped by daily choices and habits. By being proactive in supporting our health, we can delay or even prevent the slow development of diseases. Nutrition, exercise, and stress management are essential pillars of a healthy lifestyle. On the flip side, we must remain realistic about the recovery process when diseases do manifest. Expecting healing to be as swift as modern technology can be misleading. A balanced approach to health includes both preventive measures and patience during the healing process. The paradox between slow progression and quick expectations presents both a challenge and opportunity for a progressive healthcare approach. In this intricate dance between health and illness, the control is in your hands. It's up to you to make conscious choices. Be proactive in maintaining your health and foster realistic expectations when recovery is required. The paradox of health is an invitation for self-reflection and action. The choice is yours.